Hey, Pacie.
Hi, I got another Happy Meal.
Ah, is that what you have in your hand today? We haven't opened a Happy Meal in a while, right?
Yeah, we haven't had. When was my last Happy Meal?
It's been a while.
It's like in 2019 or something.
No, not that long.
Haha.
So this is from Usborne Books and more. So thanks to Mommy's childhood friend.
Childhood.
Yeah, I've known her since we were little kids. Her name is Christine, and you would call her Tita Christine. She invited us to her book party online that was co-hosted with her friend Ton. So I found a couple of books that I thought you would like. Would you like to open them now?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Really quick before we open them.
What?
I haven't seen her in a while.
Actually, you haven't met her yet. But she's friends with your Ninang Cherry and me and Auntie Kathy, right?
Who's Auntie Kathy?
You met her a long time ago. The last time we were in Dallas, we had dinner with her in Kuya.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Here you go. Here's the scissors. Be careful.
What side do I cut?
This open on this, cut on this side. Not too close right here, okay?
Can you hold the box for me, Pacers?
Okay. Pacers are helping you. Maybe start it a little bit, then you can rip it open.
That should be enough, right?
Yeah, try to rip it open.
I'm strong.
You are. Girl power. Right, Pace?
Yeah, I'm cut on this side a little. Maybe,
Okay, be careful.
maybe it'll work good. Cardboard's really hard. Cut!
You need me to help you?
Yeah.
All right, I'll help you.
Ooh, I got it.
Alrighty, so let's take out what's in there.
So come on.
Be careful.
I'll just dump the books out.
Okay, be careful. Wow. Oh, so I got you 3 books. Okay, so you want to show your Pacers what Mama got you?
Oh my God, Dallas!
Yes. So what does it say on the title?
8 capitals.
Awesome.
I'll take a little sneak peek.
Yeah, show it. Show your Pacers.
I'm not showing you. Ooh, what is this? Arizona.
Oh, cool. So
Arizona.
face it this way, Pace.
Arizona looks cool.
So you'll learn about all the 50 states, right?
Arizona's right here, see?
Okay. What other books did you get?
Let's see. Let's check. Oh, this one's funny. I'm going to say that for last.
Here, just show it now.
No, I don't want to. I don't spoil it. Thank you so much, Ballet Stories.
You're welcome. Ballet Stories,
Ooh, I
cool.
want to see it. Ooh, I look.
Ooh, that's a big girl book, right, Pace?
Cinderella.
I bet you could read it.
Yeah, look, this is Cinderella.
Nice.
Okay, last book.
Okay, what's the last book? You said it's a fun book. What is it?
Joke book.
Yeah, yes, Mama got you the A to Z Knock Knock Joke book. Oh my goodness.
I'll tell you one joke.
Okay, you want to read one joke?
Well, a couple of them.
No, just read one
Okay.
as a preview for the Pacers.
I have to find one that's easy for me.
You know how to read, right?
I don't know how to read this A. I don't.
Let me see.
Ooh,
Oh.
Get a answers.
So just go here. Start here.
I
So
want to say knock knock.
who's there?
Alaska.
Alaska who?
Alaska to open the door again.
Ah! Waka waka, right?
Waka waka.
Alrighty. So are you excited to read your new books?
Yes, especially the ballerina one.
Awesome. I'm glad you liked your little surprise. Alrighty, friends.
Thank you everyone watching my video. Bye bye. This is like and subscribe. The bell please. So hope you enjoyed this video.